Why so serious? Why so serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy Serious Mindset back with another video, and this video is like kind of long overdue, but kind of like a continuation video from the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, basically, long story short, the guy that I went to go get my tent done at, he ran out of tent film, which required me to come back and get tent. So needless to say, the back window is 5, which you really can't see. So you can see on the outside, which is kind of cool, but on the I mean, you can see from the inside outside, but you can't see from the outside inside on that back window, which is awesome or whatnot. I think the film, I'm gonna have him talk about the film or whatnot. But I wanted to do ceramic. I don't know if I actually went over this on the video, but we're gonna do a quick reflash. But I wanted to do ceramic for my tent, but you know, I figured you might as well pay for what you get or whatnot, and I didn't want to go, you know, I don't never go the cheap way, but I didn't want to go cheaper. I wanted to go premium because I wanted to really get this wide body to kind of like a showcase type of vehicle. So the back window is 5. Let's see, hold on. Gotta get through those yellow lights. So hashtag 302 miles. But anyway, I'll get distracted. But the back small windows, which is that one, is 5%. So the only problem that I see with that is for 5% is when it's nighttime, it's kind of hard to drive, kind of park. But when I go places or whatnot, and that's even in my truck or whatnot. If you haven't seen my introduction truck video, you know, I'm gonna put the description or the little box thing right there so you can check that out. Oh, matter of fact, let me pause. See, look, cop right there, he just passed up. See, that's why you should just cool it. If you didn't watch the state, cool it. You know, certain times I'm gonna get it, but cool it. But anyway, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm just starting over this channel. Like, this is probably episode, I don't even have an EP on this one, but this was probably like the 10th video, because I record many times and I push it out. I try to spread out my content since I'm in the military or whatnot, and you know, it's not guaranteed that I'm gonna have a chance to do it the next day, if that makes sense. So I want to constantly bring content to you guys. But needless to say, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you are listening to me to this part right now, oh, look at that. That's that marrow, that red, man, being in this thing, whew. But anyway, back to the point at hand. It's just so much going on, just so much. So just stay in line with me. I've been debating on going 15% tint or either 5%. Now, I'm a big privacy person. I'm always about privacy or whatnot, but I'm always thinking about practical, being in the fact that, you know, how the vehicle is gonna be looking and, you know, things like that. I'm already sitting in the fishbowl right now. Golly, come on, man. No, you gotta push that thing sometimes just to show people that you can do that thing. I had to push that thing. But anyway, man, you better get out the way, man. So hashtag, see the mileage, hashtag 304. So I still haven't broken 500 miles yet, so I'm still waiting on that. I just discovered the sport mode. Like, I literally have not been playing with that was so dumb. Why would you do that? I've not been playing with the features. Like, you know, it's been in the garage for, you know, for a minute, for a couple of days, literally, because it's been raining like crazy. So, you know, if anything, you know, you guys drive these fast cars, you know, and if it's your daily driver, you already know if you flying in that Joker or you using it, you already know you can't really drive the way you want to. And I'm just like, man, I'm just gonna keep it in the garage. Now I give it, the truck is also rear-wheel drive as well, but it's not as tempting as this bad boy. Like, it's just tempting because this thing is low to the ground. You know, you got people that approach you, they just, you know, you just get that. But needless to say, I've been battling back and forth trying to go between 15 and 5% tint. So needless to say, let's go ahead and get to the template so we can figure out the final decision and get this thing going. Stay tuned. Watch so serious. You guys can see I didn't get what I wanted to get completed done. Some unfortunate things happened, but as you see, I still got the fish bowls in the front. So fish bowls in the front, 5 in the back, and then 5 in the back, of course, because you see it's a beautiful day, beautiful day. But it's still gonna be a mod today on this channel. You know, like I say, stay tuned for all the mods. The mods are still gonna come. So what we are going to do is take care of, see, I got 1, 2, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 of those side markers. So you got 2 of the side markers in the front, 2 in the back, and then 2 in the back rear on the side. So I'm gonna try to get my hands dirty and do a little bit of that since the sun is out. It's a beautiful day, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. So we're gonna take care of all that action. We're gonna go ahead and get that work through. So let's go ahead and get that going. The tint that I'm using is Vivid. I'm gonna be using the Vivid tint. And I don't know if you can see the details. Shouldn't be able to see the details. See, we get the angles. So you can see with the angles, see, there we go. You see it got the honeycomb. It's like a honeycomb, it's like a honeycomb pattern. So we're gonna get this on. I'm gonna play with this. Probably might make a couple of mistakes or whatnot. I got me a chair set up. So I'm gonna aim for the back first. So we're gonna do the back, see, get a good angle. So we're gonna do the back too, get that. Then we're gonna mess with that later. But I think this is enough for the 6 since, you know, they just side markers. So I'm not gonna pop them off. I'm just gonna try to get them in here as best as I can. And then we can go from there. Cause I've seen some people, they actually pop these off, but I don't feel like popping these off. So it's just too much. I don't feel like taking off the bumper and things like that. Got a little scratch on that thing. A little scratch. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. I forgot to go get some masking tape. Let me go get some masking tape. Hold on. All right, so let me see if you can see the difference. So you see the difference between this side and that side. So that looks cold. Oh, you see, I already did the back two, and I did them within about 10-15 minutes already. But you can already see. So if you look here, you might say, oh, you got bubbles. No, that's just the factory. The factory has some stuff on it already. And as you see, it's nice and clean. It don't look honeycomb, but when you put some lights on it, it probably might look honeycomb. But this is more so for the actual, the reflector itself. So that came out good. So this is a quick, easy mod that anybody can do. Hit the back two. I showed you guys the back two. So I'm gonna show you guys this one right here. This is gonna be a quick, and we probably might put a timer on there or whatnot. Oh, that's gonna be for fun. All right, so let's start the timer now. All right, so I'm gonna clean it. I already put the alcohol on there, okay? Now you might say, oh, you put no alcohol on there. So then I got my vinyl wrap. Don't judge. So then come here. Let's see. And then I cut off. And don't ever have a blade come towards you. I'm a pro at this. I am a pro. So we're gonna come off. So I don't care how I cut it because this is kind of like my random vinyl that I'm gonna be using for some things. So then you don't have to do this, but I do this because I'm gonna be coming across my blade, so I don't want to hit the paint right then and there, so it's gonna actually hit this. So I'm gonna show you guys. So we still working on that timer. I don't know why I'm trying to rush. I don't need to rush my baby. Right. We're gonna go from the top. All right, so you can see I'm done. It took me less than about what, 5 minutes? About 5 minutes, right? About 5 minutes. So 5 minutes give or take, and then I rushed in it too. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see a little bit of the red right there because I rushed in the cut. So I might, matter of fact, not might, but I will take this off and redo this. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can do simple mods to your vehicle and you don't have to buy, hold on, we're gonna, the wife didn't want to get in it, but you don't have to buy all those extra little accessory pieces. So, you know, like I say, just stay tuned, watch you know, like I said, I'm going with the mods, easy mods, if at that you don't even have to pay somebody to do. But look at that. That looks so clean. Looks, and then you can actually see the honeycomb in it too. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but just, man, hold on, let me get a different angle. But yeah, look at that. Big difference. Big difference. But check that out. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also follow the Instagram, Serious_Lane. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys the ending product. What's so serious?